Okay, so welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, and today's video mag-solve tayo ng related rates problem. And before tayo mag-start, shout out sa ating mga tropa dyan, okay, sa open source FB group, and then sa ating mga kasama dyan sa open source GC. Okay? Okay, so the problem is a pyramid shaped that has a square cross section and ayan, stands on its tip. So, ibig sabihin guys na meron tayong pyramid na naka-invert. Okay? Bale yung ating base ay nasa taas na. Yung kanyang square base. And then, yung kanyang tip or yung apex, no, is on the bottom. Now, the dimensions at the top are 2 by 2 by 2 meters and the depth is 5 meters. Now, if the water is flowing into the vat at 3 cubic meters per minute, so how fast is the water level rising when the depth of the water is ayan, at the deepest point is 4 meters. Okay? First, let us illustrate the problem. So, mag-draw tayo ng pyramid na naka-invert. So, yung top natin, okay, tayo guys na. Yung top natin, so, para meron tayong 3D. Ganyan na. Okay. Then, let's say yung tip. Okay, somewhere dito. Dito na lang, no? Para medyo mahaba. Okay. Okay. Last natin aside. Ayan. Then, broken line to dapat eh. Okay. So, yung height natin, okay. Let's say ito yung kanyang center line. Ayan. Okay, then, araw tayo dito na. Okay, so this is 5 meters, yung depth ng vat natin. Then, the dimensions at the top is 2 by 2. No? So, 2 meters. Rin na 2 meters. Okay? So, in this tank or in this vat na, okay, the water is entering now. Sabi niya na, flowing into the vat. Okay, so that means the volume of water in the tank or in the vat is increasing. Now, at the rate of, ayan, 3 cubic meters per minute na. Okay? So, in terms ng time rates na, okay, or derivative, that is dV/dt na. So, let's say the volume no, is V at any time. So, yung flow rate, volume flow rate is dV/dt equal to positive 3 cubic meters per minute. Okay? Then, let's say, ito yung level ng tubig na. Okay? So, let's say somewhere dito. Ayan. So, ito yung top surface ng ating tubig na. Okay? So, let's say, yung side length ng upper surface is x. Okay? Then, the height of the water or the water level is, let's say, h. Okay? At any time. Okay? Now, ang pinapahanap guys dito is yung rate ng pagtaas ng tubig na. Okay? When the depth is 4 meters. So, that is the value of dH dt na. Okay? So, ano yung value daw niya? At h is equal to 4 meters. Okay? So, para makapag time race tayo dito or makapag-differentiate with respect to time, we need to express B in terms of H alone. Okay? Or kung meron pang ibang variable, no? Okay? Pero make sure that B is only in terms of H na para mas simple guys yung solution natin na, okay? Kasi pag meron diyan dalawang variable, ibig sabihin may kailangan ka pang kunin na other derivative na or time rate na, okay? Pag isa lang kasi guys yung variable mo, ibig sabihin isa lang yung poproblemahin mo doon, no? Okay? Yung variable na yon, 'di ba? Okay, now since meron tayong pyramid dito, no? Okay? We need to use the formula for the volume of pyramid. Okay, recall that the volume of pyramid, okay, is equal to 1/3 of the base area, okay, kung ano yung kanyang cross section or the shape of the base na, okay, and then multiplied by the height, okay, or altitude. Now in our case, okay, the resulting volume nito guys ng pyramid is 1/3 yung base area natin guys dito. Bale ang kailangan mo diyang kumpitin ng volume yung volume ng tubig at any level or at any time. Okay, so ito yung guys na yung part na yan. Okay, yung magiging base area mo dyan, so meron tayong sideline na x. Okay, so kung square yan, the area is the square of the side na. Okay, so that is x squared, and then the height is h. Okay, so as you can see ang ating first equation, so CB natin ay in terms ng x tsaka h. Okay, so sabi ko nga um, write v in terms of h only. Okay, so ibig sabihin we need to find a relation between x and h. Okay, then we are going to substitute the expression for x in terms of h, okay, to make v in terms of h alone. Okay, so saan mo makikita yan? Siyempre dun sa ating figure, no? So sa mga geometry type na problem, okay, important guys, no, yung paggawa ng figure. Okay, so para ma-visualize mo yung problem, no? Okay, and other equation na can be derived or formulate, no? Okay, sample dito, so kung mapapansin niya sa side view natin, so you can form triangles, no? Okay, so kahit di mo na yan project, no? Okay, kumbaga ang tingnan mo na lang diyan, so when a plane is cut through the middle or center line, no, so papadaanin mo diyan. Okay, so meron ka diyan guys, ang dalawang triangle mo form itong pinakamalaki mo, okay, then itong maliit na yung sa may mismong body ng water natin. Okay, so paano makuha yung relationship between x and h? Okay, since nag-cut ka lang diyan ng parallel dun sa may top surface na or top section, so ibig sabihin you will create similar figures na. Okay, ang na-form mo dito is triangles, no? So you will apply similar triangles na. Okay, so by similar triangles, okay, similar triangles na is just like ratio and proportion, no? Base to base, height to height, or height to base is smaller, height to base larger. Okay, so dito ang gamitin natin guys is height to base, or base to height ng smaller and then base to height ng larger. No, sa smaller guys, ang base to height natin is x to h, no? So that is x over h. And then for the larger triangle is 2, okay, to 5. Okay, so that is 2 over 5. Okay, so in this equation, obviously, our x is equal to 2/5 of h. Okay, so this will be your equation number 2. So now, ang gagawin mo na lang dyan, bale, substitute yung ating equation number 2 to equation number 1. Okay, so therefore, the volume of the water at any time is 1/3 of x, which is 2/5, okay, h squared, then times h. Okay, simplify the expression on the right, no, okay, of the equation. So 1/3 2/5 h squared, so that is 4 over 25. Okay, then h squared times h. Simplifying, okay, we will get 1/4, 1/3 times 4 over 25, so 1 times 4 is 4, and then 3 by 25 is 75. Then h squared by h is h cubed. Okay? Now, nasulat na natin si v in terms of h. So, the next step is to differentiate both sides with respect to time. Okay? So, the derivative of b, okay, with respect to t is equal also to the derivative with respect to time of the expression, that is 4 over 75. Okay, h cube. Okay, yung constant, labas mo na yan, yung 4 over 75. Then, derivative na lang ng h cube with respect to time. Okay, so h cube muna as power, copy yung 3, and then minus 1, kaya squared. Okay, then don't forget the derivative of h with respect to time. Okay, yan yung mismo yung rate ng water level. Okay, so that is dh dt. Okay, simplify natin. 4 times 3, pwede rin ganito, no? 3 by 75 kasi si 75 is the factorable, no? That is 3 by 25. Ibig sabihin, cancel yung 3, matitira is 25, no? So, meron tayo dyan 4 over 25 h squared dh dt. Okay? Now, substitute the given values. So, ano mga yon? Okay, meron tayong volume flow rate na dB dt. That is 3 cubic meters per minute. And, okay, yung height natin or yung depth. So, that is h is equal to 4 meters. Okay? Ayan. So, dB dt, okay, meron tayong 3 cubic meters per minute. Okay, equal to 4 over 25. Okay, 4 meters squared na. Then, dH dt. Okay. So, naka-meter yan squared to cubic. Sabihin, cancel guys yung square meter. No? So, sa left side, ang matitira is meter na lang dito. No? Okay. So, meron ka dyang 3 meter per minute equal to, okay, 4 times 4 squared is 16 over 25. Okay, then dH dt. Okay, now solving for dH dt, so itong kailangan natin guys. Okay, so algebra na lang yan, no? Equal to, so cross multiply 3 by 25 over 4 times 16. Okay, so 3 by 25 is 75 and 4 by 16 is 64. Okay, the unit is meter per minute. Okay, so therefore the water level is increasing at the rate of 75 over 64 meter per minute. So if you want to write this as a decimal, no, okay lang naman guys, no? Okay, so that's it, no? So I hope meron kayong natutunan sa aking solution, and if you have questions, no, just comment down below, and see you sa ating next video. Okay, have a good day.